Welcome to our comparison of two popular countertop ice makers, the Kismile Nugget Ice Maker and the Igloo self-cleaning countertop ice maker. Today, we'll explore their features, performance, and pricing to help you determine which ice maker is the best fit for your home or office. The Kismile Nugget Ice Maker is known for its ability to produce chewable nugget ice, while the Igloo model offers a more traditional bullet ice option. Let's dive into the details. When it comes to pricing, the Kismile Nugget Ice Maker is positioned at a premium price point of $219, reflecting its advanced features and higher capacity. In contrast, the Igloo self-cleaning countertop ice maker offers a budget-friendly option at just $87, making it an attractive choice for those looking for a more economical solution. This significant price difference is a key factor to consider when choosing between these two models. The Kismile Nugget Ice Maker specializes in producing chewable nugget ice, which is highly sought after for its texture and ability to keep drinks cold without diluting them quickly. On the other hand, the Igloo self-cleaning countertop ice maker produces traditional bullet ice, which is suitable for various beverages but may melt faster. Depending on your preference for ice texture, this could be a deciding factor in your choice. In terms of ice production capacity, the Kismile Nugget Ice Maker stands out with an impressive output of 35 pounds of ice per day, making it ideal for larger gatherings or frequent use. Meanwhile, the Igloo model produces 26 pounds of ice daily, which is sufficient for smaller households or occasional use. This difference in capacity is crucial for users who need a steady supply of ice. To wrap up our comparison, the Kismile Nugget Ice Maker offers premium features and higher capacity at a higher price, while the Igloo self-cleaning countertop ice maker provides a more affordable and compact option for those with basic ice needs. Consider your priorities, whether it's ice type, production capacity, or budget, to make the best choice for your ice-making needs. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews.